What's up you guys, your girl IMO. I'm back to bring you guys another sneaker unboxing video. So let's get right into this video. Okay, so here we have the shattered backboard 3.0s. These came from StockX. They took a long time, but I got them for a dope little price, so I wasn't even mad at that. I paid $142 for these, so it's not that far off of retail, so I'm happy about that. But yeah, I got these in a 6.5. Here's the tag. Okay, let's get right into this. I'm only gonna take out one sneaker because by now you guys probably already seen these everywhere on YouTube. So here's what they look like. I love these. When I first saw the stock picture of these, I was like, I don't really like these. But then I believe I saw Rick Ross with them on at the Hip Hop Awards. I believe he had these on, if I'm not mistaken. Then I was like, oh, wait a minute, these are kind of fire. So had to give me a pair. They come with the black laces already in them. And as you can see, you also get the orange laces on the side. Mind you, I'm a 6.5, so these are grade school. These are not men's. I can't fit men's sneakers. Not that I don't wear men's sneakers. I can't fit men's sneakers. So these are GS. Here's the verified authentic StockX tag that all of StockX sneakers come with. Let me get into the inside. They have the regular cardboard toe filler. I don't know what you call that thing, but they're very basic. On the inside they have the plain black sole, and then you have the little Nike Air, which is in orange. They are my sneaker size. I love the way these things look. Like, these go hard. I know people are complaining like, oh, it has that like plastic looking effect. It's super shiny, but that's what I like about these. This pair, like these, I would definitely not be mad if, I had them on and it started raining because of the material. Out on some pairs that release, you can always go to StockX. I'll link StockX website down below so you guys can surf the website and see if they have anything that you guys want, and you can pick those up. It's fairly easy. You just bid on it, wait to see if your bid was approved. When it has, they ship this sneaker to StockX. StockX has to verify, and then StockX sends it to you. So just keep in mind that if you do order anything from StockX, please don't think it's gonna be like 5 days, because that's not how it works. But these took a little over a week and a half to get to me, so just keep in mind that it might take a while for you to receive your order, but you're gonna get it, okay? So here's an overview of the sneaker. I love that it has this like off-white yellowed sole. These are super dope because as your sneakers get older, they start to kind of yellow and change the tint of the sole. So these, they probably won't yellow as much as the other sneakers. Like if you have any icy bottom sneakers, oh my god, them shits will yellow like nobody's business. But these are already yellow, so you good to go. But here's a close-up shot of them. You got that shiny patent leather that I love. And I like that the patent leather, it also has texture to it. It's not like smooth patent leather. If you could see it, it's like it has crinkles all over the patent leather. I think that's dope. And you got the regular bottom. They like low-key match my sweater, but not that much. I have on like safety orange, and these are I guess it's starfish. Yeah, I think this is starfish. So these are what the Air Jordan 1 shattered backboards look like in grade school. I love these. I just had to. I had to add these to my collection. Like, I couldn't, you know, it's some sneakers that release and you like, if I hit on them, that's cool. If I don't, that's cool. But these, when I didn't hit on these, I was like, nah, If I gotta pay a good $180 for these, I was gonna pay $180 for these. That's how bad I wanted these. So I'm just happy that I'm able to add these to my collection, and they are a beauty. Full sneaker. So as always, thank you guys for joining me in my video. I appreciate you all, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. So